Stop scrolling, because the next electric car you buy might look cheap but feel like a luxury machine. Most people think premium experience means premium price, but in 2026, that's no longer true. Some electric cars today cost thousands less, yet give you features you'd expect in a high-end vehicle. We're talking about smooth, silent driving, high-tech interiors, fast acceleration, and comfort that feels way above the price tag. So in this video, I'll show you cheap electric cars that feel premium and which ones are actually worth your money. 1. Tesla Model 3. Let's start with a car that changed everything. The Tesla Model 3. Even the base version feels like a luxury car. You get minimalist interior with a huge touchscreen, super smooth acceleration, advanced autopilot features, over-the-air updates, and the best part, it drives like a premium car. No engine noise, instant torque, and a driving experience that feels futuristic. Yes, it's not the cheapest EV, but for what it offers, it feels way more expensive than it is. 2. Hyundai Ioniq 5. Next up, one of the most unique EVs, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. This car doesn't just look futuristic, it feels like a lounge on wheels. Inside you get wide open cabin, dual large displays, sliding center console, relaxation seats in higher trims, and the ride quality, super smooth. It's designed for comfort, especially long drives. For its price, this level of space and design feels premium. 3. Chevrolet Bolt EUV. Now, if you want something truly affordable, but still premium, look at the Chevrolet Bolt EUV. This car is underrated. You get comfortable seats, good range for the price, hands-free driving, super cruise and higher trims, clean, modern dashboard. It's not flashy, but everything feels well-built and practical, and that's what makes it feel premium. You're not paying for hype, you're paying for real value. 4. Kia EV6. Then comes the sporty one, the Kia EV6. Even in its lower trims, this car feels like something from the future. You get curved dual-screen setup, fast charging capability, sporty design and performance, high-quality materials inside. It's quick, stylish, and surprisingly refined. This is the kind of car that makes people think you paid way more than you did. 5. Nissan Leaf. And finally, a classic in the EV world, the Nissan Leaf. It's been around for years, but newer versions are much better. You get comfortable ride, reliable performance, simple and user-friendly interior. It may not be the flashiest, but it's dependable and smooth. Perfect if you want a budget EV that still feels good to drive every day. Quick question. Would you rather buy a cheap EV that feels premium or a luxury car that's expensive to maintain? Comment below. I read every comment. Here's the truth. You don't need to spend a fortune anymore to enjoy a premium driving experience. Electric cars are changing the game. Now you can get luxury-like interiors, advanced tech, smooth performance without breaking the bank. But remember, not every cheap EV feels premium, so choose smart. If you want more videos like this, helping you choose the right car, not just the popular one, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.